Remember, sometimes less truly is more. Different approaches. The right algorithm depends on your specific constraints and goals. Fine-tuning your models for optimal performance. What are hyperparameters? Settings you choose before training that control how the algorithm learns, like adjusting TV settings, brightness, contrast, volume, to get the best picture. Examples include learning rate in neural networks, number of trees in random forest, and regularization strength. Optimization techniques. Grid search means try all combinations. Random search means try random combinations. Bayesian optimization means smart search using past results. Now, let's look at the code example. This shows how to use grid search with random forest to find the best combination of parameters automatically. Proper tuning can dramatically improve your model's performance. Missing data is everywhere. Here's how to deal with it wisely. Types of missingness. MCAR means missing completely at random. MAR means missing at random. MNAR means missing not at random, like lottery being random versus survey bias being not random. Simple solutions. Deletion means remove rows or columns. Mean mode means fill with average. Forward fill means use previous value. Cut out the bad parts or fill the holes. Advanced methods. Multiple imputation means create several filled datasets. Model-based means use ML to predict missing values, like using context clues to guess missing words in a sentence. Best practices. Understand why data is missing first. Don't assume missing equals 0. Consider missingness as a feature. Now, let's look at the tip. Missing data often tells a story. Listen to it. The approach you choose depends on why the data is missing. Regularization prevents your models from getting too complex. What is regularization? Adding penalties to prevent models from becoming too complex and overfitting. Like speed limits on roads, they prevent you from going too fast and crashing. L1 or Lasso adds absolute value penalty. L2 or Ridge adds squared penalty. Elastic Net combines L1 plus L2. Effects and benefits. L1 effects include feature selection by setting some weights to 0. L2 effects include shrinks all weights toward 0. Now, let's look at the memory aid section. L1 equals Lasso equals selects features. L2 equals Ridge equals reduces all weights. Now, let's look at the code example. This demonstrates how to apply different types of regularization in practice. Regularization is your safety net against overfitting. Building AI responsibly is everyone's job. Bias and fairness. AI systems can perpetuate or amplify human biases. Like a mirror that reflects society's prejudices, we need to clean the mirror. Solutions include diverse data, bias testing, and fairness metrics. Privacy protection. Protecting individual privacy in data and models. Like medical records, useful for research, but must keep patients anonymous. Techniques include anonymization, differential privacy, and federated learning. Transparency. Making AI decisions explainable and understandable. Like showing your work in math class, others need to understand your reasoning. Methods include LIME, SHAP, and interpretable models. Accountability. Taking responsibility for AI system outcomes. Like being a good captain, you're responsible for your ship and crew. Practices include human oversight, audit trails, and error handling. Ethical AI isn't just nice to have, it's essential for trust. Building recommendations that feel like magic. System architecture. Components needed include data pipeline for real-time user behavior streaming, feature store for user item features with low latency, model serving for fast inference under 100 milliseconds, and caching layer for pre-computed recommendations. Like running a smart store where the salesperson instantly knows your preferences and suggests perfect items. Challenges include scale, with millions of users, speed for real-time response, and freshness for up-to-date preferences. Technical implementation. Cold start solution includes content-based filtering for new users, popular items as fallback, and quick onboarding to gather preferences. Hybrid approach includes collaborative filtering for similar users, content-based for item similarity, and deep learning for complex patterns. Now, Let's look at the key metrics section. Click-through rate, conversion rate, user engagement time, and recommendation diversity.